Change your age on Apple ID with these simple steps. First, change your age from iPhone settings. For this, open the Settings app. Tap on your name at the very top. Then select Personal Information. Here, tap on Birthday. Update it to the correct date. And save the changes. This will update your birthday and age. However, if you can't edit your birthday here, then try this. Inside Settings. Scroll down, look for Screen Time and tap on it. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is turned on, it may prevent changes. So turn it off, then try changing your birthday again. Still can't change your age? Try it from the web. Open a browser like Safari on your device. Then go to account.apple.com. Tap on Sign In, and sign in with your Apple ID. At the top, tap on the drop-down arrow. Then select Personal Information. From here, tap on Birthday, and update your birthday. Once done, tap Save. This will change your birthday and updates the age.